Hello, I am Dr. Uchechukwu Health Channel. Are you tired of taking pills and going to doctors for checkup every time, just to clear the excess sugar in your system? We all know sugar can be a real drag. Too much of it in our blood can lead to all sorts of problems. It's like putting sludge in your car engine. It just won't run right. Good blood circulation is key for a healthy life. It carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our body. When sugar builds up, it's like throwing a wrench in the works. But don't worry, there are natural ways to help get that sugar out of your veins and get your blood flowing smoothly again. We're talking about the power of nature's own remedies. These simple ingredients have been used for centuries to promote well-being. Think of it like this. Clean blood vessels are like clear highways for your blood to travel on. And who doesn't love a smooth ride? By taking care of our blood sugar levels, we're investing in our long-term health and vitality. So, are you ready to discover the natural way to sweeter, healthier blood flow? Let's dive into the world of natural remedies. Let's talk about 3 amazing spices that can help us on our journey to better blood sugar control: rosemary, turmeric, and cinnamon. Don't worry, you won't need a chemistry degree to understand their benefits. Rosemary, that fragrant herb we love in our cooking, is a powerful antioxidant. Think of antioxidants as little superheroes fighting off harmful substances in our bodies. Rosemary can help improve insulin sensitivity, which means our cells can use glucose more effectively. Turmeric, the golden spice alive, boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process, but too much of it can be a bad thing. Turmeric can help calm things down, reducing the risk of complications from high blood sugar. And last, but not least, cinnamon, the warm and comforting spice, also steps in to improve insulin sensitivity. It helps your cells utilize glucose more efficiently, keeping those blood sugar levels in check. These 3 spices, working together, create a symphony of health benefits for our blood sugar and overall well-being. Now, let's get to the exciting part, making the drink. Don't worry, it's as easy as pie and much healthier too. You'll need 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 cinnamon stick or half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 4 cups of water. Combine all ingredients in a pot. Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Strain the drink into a mug and enjoy. You can drink this delicious concoction 1 to 2 times a day. It's best enjoyed warm, but you can also have it chilled if you prefer. Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and simply healthier from the inside out. This natural drink can help you achieve just that. Incorporate it into your daily routine to manage blood sugar and improve circulation. Many feel a difference after just a few weeks. Their energy levels soar and they feel more alive. Consistency is key. Make this drink a part of your daily routine and watch as your body thanks you for it.